A guide by rankedseo.com. Follow these steps to get a do-follow backlink from a DA48 website for free. Open the browser and enter forums.hotsearch.com. Click on Register link. Enter the details, one by one, and click Complete the registration button. Click on Profile link to edit. Add web URL in website field and save the changes. Now, click on Edit Signature link. Add the info with the link in the signature, and save the signature. Now, copy the profile link, and open the link in a private window, to check the backlink. Visit rankedseo.com for 1000 plus step-by-step backlink guides. Use the code YouTube for a 10% discount.